like.
What's good, y'all? It's your girl Shelby, and welcome back to Life with Shelby. We got a lot to get into today, so I'm not even gonna hold y'all. Let's get straight into it. Y'all been asking me about my car for months, and I know it took me forever to do this video, y'all, but today we're finally doing it. So 7 months after I bought my 2025 Hyundai Elantra, I'm finally about to give it a full detail because baby, it needs it for sure. And I'm gonna be telling y'all how I like the car so far. All right, y'all, before we start with the deep clean, we're gonna do the inside first because this is where it gets bad. Be honest, y'all. Don't judge me. It's been a long 7 months. I let things get way too out of line this time around. Usually I be going straight to the car wash, y'all. But don't think I'm just dirty, y'all. I'm not dirty. I wanted to do this video for y'all because y'all been asking me about the car. Said, all right, I'm gonna just do a full detail of the car.
Don't stop, this is my favorite part. Hold me like it's out of style. Imagination is running wild. Eternity is in your smile. Hello, babe, snuggle, babe. Hello, babe, snuggle, babe.
Then they got this floor mat cleaner, so all I have to do for this is press that button. It's gonna go on in now. Okay, so we got all the floor mats back in the car. Show y'all the back. Definitely gonna have to scrub that. I don't know where that floor mat is, but it is what it is. Okay, we already got a huge difference, but we're nowhere near done, y'all. Still got to get all of these little details did. So now we're about to do all these little details that I usually ignore, like in between the cracks of the seat. We get it done, y'all. Let's get right into it.
New shoes, new move. I don't want the fake love on dailies. Like the way you touch, don't you play me. Want the kind that burns but that saves me. New groove, new rules. Every night feels deeper, it's crazy. I don't feel the pressure, no lately. As soon as you come around, I feel elevation. I need you to stay, I'll be by your side.
While I'm doing this, let me actually give y'all an update because I know a lot of y'all were asking how I like the car so far. And to be honest with y'all, I don't really like it. I mean, I'm grateful for sure. I'm grateful, but it wasn't what I wanted at all. Because I like my cars to, I might be tripping, but I want my cars to be like a little advanced, if that's the word that I'm looking for. And this car ain't advanced at all. Like, it don't have no power seats. It don't have no cup holders in the back seat. Like, what car don't have cup holders? This is the only car that I know that don't have cup holders. And like, that really like irks me. Like, I don't even sit in the back that much, but like when people do get in my car and they be like, oh, what the cup holders? Like, they don't say that, but still, like, I want cup holders for when I do sit back there or when I have a lot of drinks and I want to put cups back there or something. And I can't do that. It doesn't have, like I said, it don't have no power seats. You got to do it with, y'all know, this thing right here moving up and back. And I don't like that. Oh yeah, another thing that I don't like is, I don't know if that's me or is it just the car? Like, I keep having to get new tires. Like, I told y'all about this, I don't know, maybe in the last vlog that I did, but I have to keep on getting new tires, and that's not cool. Like, I don't like none of that. I'm telling you, like, I'ma say probably every 2 months, I'm getting a new tire. And like, what's up with that? Something is always going wrong with these tires, y'all. Always. I don't know if Hyundai just known for having bad tires or what. Y'all see right in there, I need to get into there. I had bought these little brushes, so I'm hoping they can get in here. Hold on. I don't know which one. One of these gonna fit. I don't know which one, but one of them. It's all the way down in there, and I need to get it out of there. Okay. Right now, I'm just cleaning all in here like I told y'all. And I think I did a pretty good job. But other than that, the car drives good though. Really nice and smooth. But regarding like, if I want to like add something to it, I do want to fix it up, because I seen somebody in the comments had asked me, was I going to fix it up? Like add some accessories and stuff to it. I do think I want to do that now. After 7 months, I might as well do it. I ain't doing nothing else. So I do want to do that. Maybe add like some cup holders, some seat covers, some different floor mats. Ooh, that would be nice, like adding like some lights in it. I can really deck this out, y'all. So that might be in the next video. Comment down below if y'all want that video. I don't even think I said it at the beginning, but if y'all didn't already, go ahead and like this video, comment down below, share the channel, hit that post notification bell so you can notify when I drop new videos, and also subscribe to the channel.
No time to waste, girl, I'm not here to play you all night. So whenever you pull up, just show me love.
Okay, so we done did the whole inside. Let me give y'all a little look over. Nice and shiny, smells really good. We did all the cracks and crevices. Let's see the back seat. Okay, y'all see that little shine right there? Hold on, let me show y'all this side. Okay, this the passenger side. Took all the access stuff out. Okay, dashboard looking real nice. Back. Okay, and next we about to hit these windows.
I just know you got, baby. You never felt to keep me satisfied.
Comment down below if y'all think I should get my windows tinted. All right, y'all, so we done vacuumed, we done cleaned the whole interior. Now we about to get into these seats. So I got my little Bissell Green Machine. We about to put this thing to work today. Let's see if I remember how to do this. I feel like it's gonna be so much dirt on these seats. Look, y'all see these stains? And then it's a stain over there on the carpet. So
I don't wanna talk about no drama. I don't wanna talk about your problems. I just wanna figure out how to solve them. I just wanna show you that I got them. I just wanna heal all your traumas. I know it's a lot to give, but give me something tonight. Baby, I just...
while we letting all these seats dry, hopefully these white stains leave. I think these came from when I did that water, so hopefully they leave. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. Let's go ahead and see. The front seat. Okay. Right, still, these white lines, they need to leave. All right, y'all, the inside is officially done. And let me tell y'all, she was bad in there. So now that we got the inside looking good, we about to bring that same energy to the outside of the car. Look at this. Look at the wheels. Look at that. Y'all see that dirt right there? Yeah, we about to fix all of this. Look at this. Just dirty. We about to fix this. First off, we're gonna start with the wash. Then we gonna get these rims right, or these wheels right.
Show ya. Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like con money. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all?
We don't have to do anything.
Okay, y'all, everything is done. At this point, I don't even know who Curtis is. This is how I should have been driving around, y'all. Like, all that dirtiness, that ain't me. That's not me, y'all. I don't even know why I waited that long to clean this car. Like, that's the crazy part. Like, that ain't me. So don't be killing me in the comments, y'all, saying she dirty. Why is her car like that? She a girl. Like, why she driving around with a dirty car? Like, girl's supposed to be clean. I am clean, y'all. Like, that was just like, it's just something that needed to take some time. But I'm glad that I finally got around to showing y'all the car, showing y'all what I did with it, telling y'all what I like, dislike, and all of that. Because y'all been waiting for 7 months for your girl. So if y'all want to actually start seeing me do other stuff to the car, like putting accessories in it, go ahead, comment that down below. Because I really think we might have to turn this into a whole little series, y'all. Comment down below if y'all would like that. But right now, she clean. She gonna stay clean. Oh yeah, and I also got these. You can't forget to put the new car seat in, because it's already looking like a new car. So you might as well put the new car seat in there. Feeling real good. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.